Will my disabled child qualify for Social Security benefits? Navigating Social Security benefits for a disabled child can be challenging, and many families find the process complex and time-consuming. Social Security benefits aren't just for retired individuals. Children with disabilities may also qualify for important financial support, providing much-needed assistance for their medical and financial needs. Let's take a look at the eligibility, application process, and qualifying conditions for Social Security benefits for disabled children. Social Security benefits for disabled children. The Social Security Administration, SSA, extends benefits through the Disability Insurance, SSDI, and Supplemental Security Income, SSI, programs to support families with children who are disabled. Children who are disabled from birth or develop qualifying conditions later in life may be eligible to receive benefits. These benefits provide financial support that can help cover healthcare costs, assist with basic living needs, and provide relief to families managing the added expenses of caring for a disabled child. Consulting an attorney can be especially helpful to navigate this process. Eligibility requirements and qualifying conditions. To determine eligibility, SSA has a list of specific qualifying conditions, known as the Blue Book of Impairments. This guide outlines the criteria SSA uses to evaluate disability in children, which includes many medical and mental health conditions. Some key qualifying conditions include respiratory disorders. Severe asthma and cystic fibrosis often qualify. Blood disorders, anemias, bone marrow failure, and thrombosis are commonly recognized. Cancers. Certain types, including lymphoma, leukemia, neuroblastomas, and thyroid cancer, may qualify. Digestive disorders. Inflammatory bowel disease, among other digestive conditions, is considered. Sensory impairments. Severe limitations in sight, speech, and hearing can make a child eligible. Neurological disorders. This includes conditions like cerebral palsy and significant brain injuries. Skin and immune system disorders. Severe burns, photosensitivity, lupus, scleroderma, and certain connective tissue diseases are covered. The SSA also accounts for mental health and neurocognitive disorders, such as schizophrenia spectrum disorders, anxiety, and intellectual disabilities. Once a qualifying condition is identified, SSA will evaluate the degree to which it impacts the child's daily function. The application process for Social Security benefits. To start the application process, a parent or guardian must submit an application online or visit an SSA office. SSA will then review the child's medical records to ensure they align with the Blue Book's qualifying criteria. In cases where children meet specific conditions or show significant impairment in daily activities, they may automatically qualify for benefits. However, if the initial application does not result in approval, there is an option to appeal the decision. An attorney's guidance during an appeal can be invaluable, as the process can be complex, and attorneys can help compile necessary documentation or medical records to support the child's case. Estate planning is another area families of disabled children should consider. An attorney experienced in special needs trusts can help families secure their child's future without jeopardizing their eligibility for government benefits. For example, a special needs trust can be established to set aside funds for a disabled child's needs while ensuring they retain eligibility for Social Security benefits.